I believe we are running. Beep. Itchy. Can you see this? I don't know if you can see this. Maybe like this? Yeah, now you can't see. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like this for now because I don't really know yet what you can see or can't see. See, if I have it like this, I don't know if you can tell what's going on here. But if I put it all the way up, I don't know which one is best. I think, let me check for a second. My head is big enough, which is good. You have a big head. It's me. It's really, really early in the morning. This is gonna be good for now. Just testing out my GoPro. The whole deal being, why? Because I'm moving. I'm going to move to Mexico. And this is why. Wanna see my bedroom? It's so messy. It's so messy. Hey, I'm allowed to be messy. Because I'm moving to Mexico. Mexico. Can you tell? It's 23 degrees, which is pretty damn warm. So this is just a tryout video. Did I mention I'm moving to Mexico? My name is Daniel. You can call me Danny or Bob. Although Bob is not my name. But I prefer, and usually people call me Danny in the United States, not Daniel. And I prefer, in Dutch, I prefer Daan. I don't know why. There's probably some deep-rooted psychological reason for that. I'm gonna miss this. I'm not sponsored by Philips. It's my Senseo coffee machine. I really don't know if they have this overseas. Doesn't matter. I also have... Gosh, I really don't know if you can tell anything. I believe this is called a percolator. This is where you put loose coffee, boiling hot water, and you just let it be for about a minute, and then you press it down very, very slowly. It's absolutely beautiful. My cupboards are my cupboards are pretty much empty. Oh, except for this one. But this is something that is very dear to my heart, and I know this doesn't cost anything. It's like I believe I paid 10 euros for it, and they have it everywhere. But this is just something that I wanted to keep and take with me. So, well, I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know what to show you. See, Kaffefe. Kaffefe. Taking coffee to Mexico. It's really early. It's 5 something a.m. You ready for this? It's messy. So I'm two weeks away from actually moving. This is my house and I'm renting it out. Yeah, I've been living here for 7 years. I'm from the Netherlands. City of Emmen, if you really want to know. And I want to go to a little bit warmer climate. For some reason, for the last couple of weeks, I've been drinking coffee in the middle of the night. I don't know why. I love coffee. Although this isn't even good coffee. Hate to say it. Really good coffee is something that you have to take your time with. You need, like I said, that whole percolator thing. That makes really good coffee. This has some kind of, if you can tell, some kind of weird foam on it. Anyway, anything with caffeine, I suppose. There's this is the new laptop I bought. God help us. They didn't tell. You see, I don't know anything. This is a Chromebook. I'm just assuming you can see something. The whole thing was I was in a computer store and I don't know anything about computers, and I just told them, my regular laptop is too heavy. I need something light. I picked out something that was the lightest, but it's a Chromebook. What does that mean? It means frustration. The main thing about a Chromebook that I don't understand, but is that I want to put stuff in here on this start page, and I don't. By the way, it's touchscreen, which is I do like, but I can't see situations where I would use a touchscreen.